To connect RF jumper cables, begin by connecting and putting on the anti-static wrist strap. Route the first cable in the cabinet to the radio unit, taking care not to damage or bend the cable. Remove the cap from the socket on the RU. If a cap is fitted to the jumper cable, then remove this. Connect the cable to the RF connector, paying attention to the cable identification and the site installation documents. Tighten the cable finger tight, ensuring the cable is in the correct position. Tighten the connector to 25 Newton meters using a 32 mm open-ended head. A cutout head is available. Fit the second cable to the RU. Tighten the connector in exactly the same manner. Fit and tighten the RF jumper cables to the other RUs in exactly the same manner. Secure the cables on the RU using cable ties to relieve the strain from the connectors. Cut off the surplus from the cable ties, taking care not to leave sharp edges. Fit the cable inlet to the top of the cabinet. Hook the rear of the inlet panel into the cabinet and press the panel down. Press in and rotate the securing clips. Remove the foam bungs from 3 of the inlet guides. Press in the coaxial jumper cables. Push a cable tie behind the front of the cable guide to hold the cables in position.